Hey y'all, come along with us to try some snacks at Walt Disney World. First stop, Hollywood Studios. Y'all, this is the Jack Jack Nom Nom cookie. Look how thick that thing is, and it's served warm. And we've got it at the market concessions right before you go into Toy Story Land, as you can see. And we're going to taste test this. This is our daughter Bailey. She's taking the bite. Good. 10 out of 10.
It's soft, it's crunchy on the edges. That's a good cookie. Needs a scoop of ice cream.
Very good. Perfect. Just like Bailey said, crunchy on the outside, gooey on the middle. Good stuff. 10 out of 10. Now we're in the Magic Kingdom, and first up is the Cheshire Cat Tail snack. This is a Cheshire Cat tail, Danish type thing, and we're going to try this morning. And you get it at the Cheshire Cafe. It's very good. It's got chocolate chips and icing on it like a croissant. It's very tasty.
What do you give it out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, not my favorite thing I've ever ate, but it is good. I found the spring roll cart in Magic Kingdom, and this one is the pastrami and pepper jack with some honey mustard. It's alright, maybe 7 out of 10. And this one is the cheeseburger spring roll, and it comes with like a sauce. Kind of like what's on a Big Mac at McDonald's. Very good. This one, 8.5 maybe. Pretty good. Next stop, Epcot, and here we tried lots of new snacks. The Flower and Garden Festival was going on in Epcot too while we were there. We're in Epcot today, and at the refreshment court, you can get, what is this?
This is a peanut butter and jelly swirl soft serve ice cream. It's melted very fast, but it still tastes very good. I love peanut butter. I love a PBJ. So it's a good little mix. It's tasty.
10 out of 10.
Maybe. I give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
I know it's not for everybody.
We're in Canada, and the popcorn that everybody raves about in Canada, the maple popcorn. You can get some for $6.50 or a souvenir bucket of $13, and we're going to try it. Just look at that. It looks heavenly. Let's try some, y'all. Smells good. It's kind of sticky. It's kind of sticky looking. Y'all like it?
Over here. Delish.
You like it, Savannah?
Let it try.
Okay. It's different.
I like that it's still crunchy too. It's not soggy.
I don't know what I think about it.
It's like the maple or the.
We'll give it a 5.
It's toasted.
A 5. Maybe even a 4.
Yeah.
You don't like it? What did you give it?
I might give it a 0.
A 0.
I got it.
Savannah? 0.
Maybe like a 2 or 3.
I say 3 or 4.
3 or 4.
Yeah.
We're now in Paris in Epcot. In the back by Ratatouille, there's this wonderful place that sells crepes, and we're gonna try it out. I got the berries crepe with some vanilla ice cream, and the one with hazelnut and chocolate spread, so we're gonna try that. I am going to try the berry crepe with vanilla ice cream. Inside has raspberries and blackberries, and I don't remember what the other one was. Might be strawberry, I don't know. Oh my goodness. 10 out of 10 for that. And then the hazelnut and chocolate spread. Basically Nutella in the middle of a crepe. How can it be bad?
You can't put the whole thing, you can just put passy. Only passy.
10 out of 10. Delicious. I like this one better than that, but they're both delicious. We are now in Africa at the refreshment outpost, and they have a sweet treat. This pineapple skewer with Tangerine seasoning, I think is how you pronounce it. And I'm going to see what it tastes like. Savannah, is it good?
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm all for this right here. Go get another one.
Very good. Delicious. 10 out of 10. That is a good.
It is delicious.
I don't know what that seasoning's like. Now we're on our way to the Norway Pavilion, where Elsa and Anna's ride is, and also another tasty. Bailey's trying the school bread that everyone on TikTok said to try. It's got vanilla custard in it, and looks like dusted with coconut on top. All right, is it good? Very good. Is it better than the crepe? No. So what do you give it?
I'll give it a 9 out of 10 just because it's not the crepe.
Okay. It's like a piece of bread with custard in it and some coconut. It's good. It is tasty. 7.5.
7.5 out of 10.
As you can see, food reviews are not our strong point, but we had a lot of fun making this. But we hope it's helpful for your trip. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a follow.